Anisekhona abazalwane. Kufuneka abantu bani? Kufuneka abantu abazokuthatha bakufake ebukhoneni bukaThixo. Abantu abazokufundisa izinto zobuNkulunkulu. Abantu abazokufaka izinto zobuNkulunkulu abazosho ukuthi uNkulunkulu esenguye fakaza ngoNkulunkulu wesisikhathi. Angisho iqiniso bazalwane. We don't have time to entertain demons and devil worshippers. Isikhathi Jesu lesi. Yes. We don't have time. Ubuye devil worshipper quit. Angeke sabhizi no carpet bekhini kangaka. Sihlanzele abantu. uNkulunkulu eNkulunkulu kuwe emkhonza. uSathane kuwe emkhonza. eNkulunkulu kuwe emkhonza. Salongo sijulukela abantu kanti naleso sikhathi bayifaka bona. But the one thing that I guarantee, never get a life faith temple of funds or operator, never. Abantu abesena effect temple of funds base uzolalela message. Umuntu kaNkulunkulu othunyiwe. If I'm anointed of God, you cannot operate here while I'm here. Asikwazi operate asontu. Operate includes empile spine asikwazi operate. If you cooperate mekani, I have to substitute you by fire. Kufuneka manje kube nama testimonies ukuthi kangena i-development la fele emkhoneni bukaThixo. I'm declaring any development will try to operate in this church. It should be your day where you will meet your maker. I am declaring again, any devil worshiper, but abantu bazokhonza uzofana imanza, but abantu bafuna imishado uzofana imishado ya, but abantu bezofuna uNkulunkulu uzobafakela ukuthathana wena. I am declaring as a servant of the Most High God, a table of fire under this altar, any devil worshiper that has been assigned by the devil, I am executing you. Sine bahlanzi sayibona yonke imgilimo asikwazi ukuzolahlelela le message kaSathane. Abanye abaprofeta amanga, abanye abakhuluma amanga, ngoba babefuna ukukhipha ama-development angavele nje ayishe abizigama lawo. Uma umfundisi uyisidididi yolalela i-development uvala ukulalela uNkulunkulu. Asilaleli imibono, silalela umoya.